I'm travelling through Italy, north to south, top to bottom, head to toe. And on the way, I'm taking the cultural pulse of Europe's most vibrant country. Today, my adventure is taking me right down south to the historic city of Naples, capital of Italy's Campania region. Built in the shadow of Mount Vesuvius, this legendary city has withstood the odd eruption in its 2,500-year history. It's also responsible for two of Italy's most notable exports.
And Sophia Loren. And later, I'm going to be getting my teeth into one of them. Can you guess which one? Oh, you are awful, but I like you. Oi.
I'll also be heading off the beaten track to get a real flavour of this atmospheric melting pot. Visiting the Church of Skulls. Wow, now that is something. But Neapolitan music isn't all black tie and tails. In the bustling streets of the city, a rich tradition of popular music has evolved over the years. I've come to meet local musician Carlo Faiello, and he's brought along some of his chums to show me what it's all about. This song has a real Arabic flavour, but that's not surprising. As Carlo tells me, Naples has always been a cultural melting pot.
E questo vale per tutta la canzone napoletana. La canzone napoletana è difficile.
This applies to all Neapolitan songs. They're difficult to define. There are many laments, cultured songs, popular songs, folk songs. There's always been a meeting, an exchange between different languages, different peoples, different ethnicities to mix together in Naples.
The support act's pretty impressive, but now it's time for the headliners. They're about to perform another southern Italy speciality, the tarantella. This is a traditional dance number. It's supposed to represent the actions of somebody who's been bitten by a tarantula and needs to sweat out the poison. Whatever its origins, it's jolly infectious. Move out the way, I think I'm ready for a go. Actually, Suggs, that's not too bad. Well, let's face it. Once you've got it, you never lose it. And I'll tell you what, all that dancing certainly gives you an appetite.